Hi, it's Lana from Three Birds Renovations. I'm here at our latest project, a brand new knockdown rebuild. I'm going to take you through the home and point out some big ticket items that you could buy now and pay later for with humm.
Everybody on the streets come running, see the baddest around.
You can buy big things up to the value of $30,000. So for example, in this living room, it could be the paint job, the pendant lights, the big screen TV, fireplace and furniture, couch and cushions. You can use humm for all of these big ticket items.
My plane is so mean, everybody getting drinks on me.
And moving into the kitchen, the possibilities are even bigger. You could look at a whole kitchen fit out, new cabinetry, upgrade your appliances, or a real luxury item, a new butler's pantry.
I don't need a door held open, I'ma knock it down.
So if you're renovating or rebuilding from scratch, sometimes the outdoor spaces can be forgotten and left out of the budget. That's what's great to use humm for the fire pit, outdoor furniture, your pavers or even your solar panels. And that's just a sample. There are more than 20,000 retailers around Australia that welcome humm.
Everybody getting drinks on me.
humm. Bigger, buy now, pay later, always interest free. Jump online, visit the shophumm.com website.